Now we're going to begin the process of drawing our still life. And this is an interesting challenge. You've probably often seen an artist do this kind of thing. What is an artist doing when they're doing that? Really what they're trying to do is trying to get a sense of where everything is relative to something that's fixed. Usually they'll use their hand and they're going to frame it. They're going to try and get a sense for how that still life is going to fit in this frame. We now have a frame, and we've got to get those objects placed on this drawing within that frame. So I'm going to take a look, and some artists will actually have a piece of cardboard that they'll hold in front of them that's got a hole cut in it. Some even will go to the point of putting strings across it so that they have a grid work that they can work with. But I just tend to work with my hand and hold it out at full arm's length, because that's not going to change, and try and get a sense for how big everything is relative to everything else, and try and get a sense for where I'm going to place objects. And from what I see here, I'd like to put the top of this flower pot so that it's about in this location. The smaller pot will be here, larger pot will be here, the kitty will be about in this spot, and then we've got this nice foreground area which will let me catch up some of this texture and the pattern on the piece of cloth that forms the background. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to start finding the critical points to identify where these objects are in this space.